Quick little video here. If you're getting an error code on your LCI panel that says, well, hang on, I'm gonna hit leveler there. Let's see if I try to auto level. Let's see. There you go. Excessive angle. And then you go into, let's see, select OK. Oh, info right at the top. Enter. And you see this message. Look at that front angle, minus 9.4 degrees. Decent on the side though, right? So check this out. This is what's going on. This rig is almost perfectly level right now, actually. But if I look in the front end here, I'm not sure. Here's that. This is a 2020 Riverstone 39 FKTH Legacy package. We're gonna go inside here. What it is this guy right here. So that is the thing that tells you your orientation of your vehicle, if it's leaning left, right, up, or down. And mine is just kind of loosely sitting there and shook loose because somebody went ahead and messed around with this thing. Last night it was hanging something like this. It was all jacked up. So this side needs to be mounted flat to the ceiling and secured in. And there's no bolts in mine at all, or screws in mine at all, so I'm going to mount that. So we're now secured to this underside deck here. Here's the antenna for that thing, by the way. So you can see over here, underneath that arrow, front of vehicle, and the big red letters. This side goes down. There you go, LCI, level up, leveling control. Now let's give it a try. So I'm not 100% sure, but we're finding out here shortly if you have to reset this thing or not when this happens. Not reset, but there you go. Does it say some features are currently locked on the mobile device? Click OK to clear. All right, let us just try the, what do I want to do? Well, let's try to auto level. And there she goes. So that was it. Yeah, it's just, I gotta remain still here, I guess, while it's doing its thing. That thing, the screws on that thing either shook itself out, which I doubt, or someone got in there when they installed the generator, had to move that out of the way or temporarily to do something, and they never put it back, and therefore, last night in the dark, I ended up struggling with it for a while because it wasn't working.